Your insurance agent smiles, shakes your hand, and takes your money. But there are 5 things they will never say out loud, because the moment you know them, their paycheck shrinks. Watch this before you renew anything. Your loyalty is costing you hundreds. Insurance companies quietly raise your premium every renewal because they bet you won't switch. New customers get the best rates. Long-time customers, they get punished for staying. This is called price walking, and it's been banned in the UK, but is still happening everywhere else. What to do? Get a competing quote every single year. Just showing your agent a better quote can drop your rate instantly. You're probably overinsured, and they know it. Agents are paid on commission. The bigger your policy, the bigger they are cut. So they rarely tell you that you're carrying coverage you'll never, ever need. For example, are you still paying collision coverage on a 12-year-old car? The payout, if it totals, less than what you paid in premiums in 2 years. What to do? If your car is worth less than 10x your annual premium, drop collision and comprehensive. You can negotiate your claim payout. When an adjuster gives you a settlement number, that is not final. That's an opening offer. Insurance companies train adjusters to lowball, counting on you not to push back. You are legally allowed to dispute it. Hire a public adjuster, submit your own repair estimates, write a demand letter. Settlements regularly jump 30 to 40% when challenged. What to do? Never accept the first number. Always get a second estimate and put your dispute in writing. Bundling isn't always cheaper. Bundle your home and auto, save big. Sounds great. Sometimes it is a deal, but often each individual policy within the bundle is priced higher than what competitors would charge separately. Agents push bundling because it locks you in and makes switching painful. You think you're saving, but you may be paying more total. What to do? Always price your home and auto separately with other carriers before assuming bundling wins. Your credit score is silently killing your premium. In most states, insurance companies legally use your credit score to set your rate, and they're not required to tell you it's a factor. A low credit score can double your premium compared to someone with the same driving record but better credit. This isn't disclosed prominently. Most people have no idea this is happening. What to do? Ask your agent directly. Is my credit score affecting my rate? Then work on that score. It's one of the highest ROI moves you can make. Your agent isn't evil. They're just playing a game with rules they understand and you don't. Now you do. Share this with someone who's about to renew their insurance. It might save them more than they think. And drop a comment. Which one of these surprised you most?